Not too long ago, I created a resource with 25 tips and advice for beginners that were publishing on Amazon KDP. Well, based on the feedback that I've received, and thank you for those people that provided that feedback and downloaded the copy, I've also now decided to create 25 tips and advice for those that publish with IngramSpark. Now, both platforms are very, very different. There are some similar tips that I've provided with Amazon KDP that I've also included in the IngramSpark guide, but there are also some unique tips that are specific to IngramSpark. So if you're someone that does publish on IngramSpark, this guidebook will really help you. Now, if you haven't been to my channel before, welcome. My name is Romney, and thanks for coming along. On the channel, I talk about many different things about self-publishing, and if you haven't seen some of my previous videos, make sure you go and check them out. So when you publish with IngramSpark, there's quite a few things that you need to consider. I've created a course about IngramSpark and publishing on the platform because, as I've said in previous videos, I actually couldn't find a decent course that covered things in an easy step-by-step process that has actually allowed me to sell well over 14,500 books in just the last 2.5 years. So IngramSpark provides that platform for me and also a diverse way of being able to generate income. So I love that element about IngramSpark. There are certainly some different things that you need to consider when you publish on IngramSpark compared to Amazon KDP, and I have discussed those as well. Some of those things do include the upload fee and also the requirement to purchase an ISBN. These factors alone do make IngramSpark really attractive because it is a barrier to entry that some people aren't willing to go to, which actually makes it less competitive. And IngramSpark provides over 40,000 distribution channels for your book to be discovered, which is incredible. And that includes many of the major online players, including brick and mortar stores, libraries as well. So it's definitely something for you to consider. So what I'm going to do is provide that link for you down below. Make sure you download the book, and hopefully it provides you with some different information that you haven't seen before about IngramSpark, and also there's some other links that are free that you can actually use to help you with your self-publishing. Plus there's also some contact points that you might like to know about when you do publish with IngramSpark, particularly the ones that are going to help support you and guide you through the process. This guidebook is approximately 15 pages in length, and you can just use the links in that guidebook to be able to click. They're just all live links, so make sure you take advantage of those. So hopefully you do find those tips helpful. I know it's just a short video, but I do hope you find this resource helpful, and I look forward to creating a new video very soon for you. Until then, I'll catch you later on.